Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute. I'm actually not the best with uploading the videos. I get so consumed with crafting and the mess. It's like, when do I have time to actually do a video? But anyway, I created this trifold spring booklet and I just wanted to share. The die cuts I'm using are from the crepe paper Maggie Holmes Willow Lane line. She had, I believe she released it last year or the year prior. I think it was last year, but this is my first time kind of dabbling with it. So anyway, as you can see here, this lace doily was actually what I created, and I added it behind it. This is binded with gold paper. I have a little pocket here, and I didn't seal this on purpose so I could show you guys. I just used a clear vellum paper, and I used the red tape so you can't really tell that it's glued. Right here I have a little pocket, and then the middle I just added this, and I created these little tabs. I thought it would be fun to just add a little pot behind there. I had considered maybe making this a shaker Polaroid, which I thought would be fun, but I just thought it looked nice, simple. Okay, so you can see here, my trifold, what I did in the back is I didn't seal the top. So I left that so it will slide out, and then I just put the little tab there, and I showed this on my Instagram, but I'll show you how it unfolds. I realize I didn't do that part yet. Okay, and then this is the back, and I just didn't put anything there because I didn't place anything. I considered maybe doing front and back, but I got a little excited and just uploaded. So here I just did some tags, and I had taped it in there or glued it and just sealed the back so it can just hang on there when it's standing. And I just did some tags. Again, these are Maggie Holmes, and actually some of this is from her sticker book that she had released, these ones specifically. This was another line that she had done, but I found this at Tuesday morning. So it just stays all in place. Background is not staying for me. Okay, so and that's it. But it was really easy. All you need to do is take literally 3 sheets of paper. If you want front and back to be different, you'll need 6. That's what I did. I have 6. And you're just going to kind of glue it like an accordion so it binds. But I imagine you could just do it this way too and add more if you want. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.